Hello guys, I am Jason. And I will show you how you can use a Google Translator, Google Search, a brand new Gmail account, a Quora account, an Envato affiliate, and optionally a URL shortener like Bitly to earn money online fast. It will be a game-changing strategy for you. All you need to set up for the first time, and it will continue to generate money for you all the time until you stop it by yourself. First step, log in to your Quora account. Search for a question with anything in the Quora's question section. You will find a lot of questions about that. I am searching for how to create a website, because I will use an affiliate link from Envato Elements to redirect traffic there and will earn some commission from them. I have already selected a question about WordPress. People who are asking this question will find my answer if I answered it here. Here we need an affiliate link to earn some commissions. You can now go to Envato Affiliate by clicking the link in the description. Now you can apply for an account here. It will take some time to review and approve your application. Wait till you get an email from them. Once it is approved, remember the username and password that you had used for the application. Now go to the Impacts link given in the description below. Log in with that username and password. Here is the dashboard of Impact. If you have multiple affiliate accounts with different marketplaces, it will be shown here as you're seeing. I have an account on Namecheap, ssl.com also. Now select a domain from here for which you want to create a link. Now we need a link from Envato Elements. Go to Envato Elements. Choose the WordPress category. Then choose any of the items from here. Then copy the link from the URL. I am just showing an example here. Now paste this URL into the Impact and click on Create. Boom! The affiliate link is created. Here you can use a URL shortener to shorten the URL. Now go to your brand new Gmail account. Go to Settings. Click on See All Settings. Scroll down to the Vacation Settings. This is the place where automation takes place. Simply turn on the vacation mode. Write a subject and a reply email with the affiliate link you have. Whenever any user will send you an email, he will get this reply automatically. You do not have to stay awake to reply to the emails. Now, from where you will get the traffic. Let's discuss the third step. Your traffic will come automatically from the answer to your Quora question. Here the problem is, you may not know every answer from every region on the earth. Sometimes, you will need to translate things from one language to another to find the answer. Here the Google Translator takes place. You can translate the question to any language to find the answer from that specific language. That's cool. But for this question, I do not need a translator. So, I am closing it. Second step, just search the question on Google. You will find an answer for sure. In my case, I have found the answer at the beginning. I am copying the steps from here. Now paste the steps as your answer in Quora. Remember to add your email so that whoever will see your answer can contact you. I am giving a dummy email here as an example. Now think about the whole process. Anyone in the world who is searching for this answer will get your answer. Some of them will contact you through your given email. Whenever they send an email, your email will automatically reply to them with the affiliate link. If he completes the purchase from the affiliate website, you will get the commission. Now you don't need to do anything. Just take a rest and see if it works for you. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more latest and proved strategies on earning money online. Also, tap the bell icon and set the notification to all so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video here.